We just opened our new workspace and we needed some desks. For automation engineers, a machine that makes desks is much cooler than buying IKEA. This idea started when I discovered OpenDesk. Their designs are modern, functional, awesome looking, and the design files are free to download for non-commercial use. Frank makes DIY CNC builds on YouTube have been a huge inspiration too. So we did the smart thing and spent our entire furniture budget on a CNC. One of the coolest things about our job as engineers is turning a pile of metal into a living, breathing machine. Every year or so, we bring the whole company together to celebrate, socialize, and host a hackathon. This year, we decided to build a CNC.
All right, so plug it in.
We're going to watch software diagnosis for the next 30 minutes.
Hold on.
We try turning it off and turning it back on again? Let's see it. Let's see it move.
How are you? So you're just using the job for.
Holy shit.
That's going. Up, down, left, right.
I used Autodesk Fusion 360 to set up the cuts and create G-code from the OpenDesk design files. Fusion 360 is such a great piece of software. It's incredibly capable and ridiculously inexpensive. Before cutting $100 sheets of plywood, we started with some small-scale testing. We wanted to be really sure that the pieces would fit together just right. Once the machine and cutting process were dialed, it was time to lock and load. This was kind of boring, punctuated by moments of absolute terror. At one point, I broke a tool, and I was so surprised I triggered a heart rate warning on my Apple Watch. Pilot-style checklists have been a huge help there. Each pattern uses upcut, downcut, and compression cutters in different sections to make nice edges and holes with a minimum of ripping and tear out. The machine produces an incredible amount of sawdust. If you really enjoy vacuuming, you will love running a CNC. All that dust gets collected by a vortex separator, which we were able to top off twice. That's 30 gallons of sawdust. The OpenDesk design uses multiple pieces laminated together for strength. All matching pieces have CNC cut dowel holes to line up nicely for gluing. And it's a good idea to test your desk so that you can be sure that it's the right height. We finished everything with 2 coats of wipe-on polyurethane. A 4-person desk has a lot of surface area, so we were at it for a while. Threaded inserts and M6 fasteners hold the pieces together and allow the entire desk to be disassembled and moved later on. And they're all cleverly hidden away or covered so they don't detract from the overall clean look. And the beams are really burly with no flex. We're into monochrome around here, so we rolled out the gray carpet for our new guests. A lot of the desk joints are zero tolerance, so there were places where the fit was a bit tight, but it wasn't anything we couldn't overcome with a little sandpaper and elbow grease. This new space unifies all of our physical machine prototyping work and the design and coding work we do all in one room. It's awesome. If you're an engineer who wants to work with innovators to create revolutionary machines, we've got desk space available and a machine to make plenty more.